Testosterone is the male hormone that gives us all of these features that we consider as masculine. You know, a strong jawline, a deep voice, bigger muscles than women, right? So why wouldn't you want to maximize your potential to become as masculine as possible? Sounds pretty cool, right? Well then, to get there, you need to know if you have low testosterone levels to begin with. So if that sounds good to you, watch this video all the way through to the end and we're gonna have a good time. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Maverick here. I hope you all are having an awesome day so far. If you haven't already, what are you doing? Subscribe. It's free and it's better than Netflix. And I'd really appreciate it if you follow me on Instagram too at MVRK. I put some great stuff on there you won't find anywhere else. So I'm gonna break this into a couple different parts. First, we're gonna talk about some of the non-tangible signs that you have low testosterone. So we'll put this under the non-tangible category. And a lot of these are actually associated with an imbalance in your serotonin levels. You see, serotonin is this chemical that your brain produces that is responsible for three main things. One, your mood. Two, your sleep. And three, your sex drive, your libido, right? Giggity. So what are the signs that we can look out for an imbalance in serotonin, which ultimately ends in a low testosterone level? Well, as far as the mood goes, we're gonna look for depression or just lack thereof good, high energy, good mood, right? And then as far as the sleep goes, that's pretty simple. That's lack of good quality sleep and an unnatural change in your sleeping cycles. So if you normally are used to getting 8 hours of great sleep per night and then you end up waking at 2 in the morning, it's possible that this could be attributed to low testosterone. And the third one, sex drive, you could see a sign maybe in just feeling less, sexual attraction, erectile dysfunction, less random erections. So these are some things that you definitely want to watch out for. So when I had the idea to do this video, one brand came in mind. So shout out to Let's Get Checked for sponsoring today's video. They're awesome. I used them before and it's the easiest way that I have came across to check your testosterone. You don't have to go sit awkwardly in a doctor's waiting room. You just go online, pick your test, it'll be shipped to you extremely fast. You collect your sample in the morning, you ship it out using the prepaid shipping label, and then you'll get your results in 2 to 5 business days. So just be sure to be checking your account in those days following sending out your sample. Once your results are available, they will be reviewed by a physician and a nurse will contact you for a consultation over the phone. And in some cases, a physician will even prescribe you medication to a pharmacy of your choosing. I did it just a few weeks ago. No, I'm not gonna share with you guys my results. You guys ain't ready for that. Maybe if this gets 10,000 likes, I'll go over my results. So smash that like button. But you know how this works. I got a deal, so you guys get a deal too. If you use my code BRETT at checkout, you get 30% off of your whole purchase. Pretty sweet deal if I don't mind saying myself. So I'll put the link down in the description, click it, go check them out and use my code. This will give you a good baseline knowledge of if you need to take action to dramatically increase your testosterone. It is considered low testosterone when your levels fall under 300 nanograms per deciliter, according to the American Urological Association. Now it's time to cover some of the physical signs that you have low testosterone. So we know that as you get older, naturally your testosterone levels get lower, but if you're under the age of 30, then they really shouldn't be that low. So some of the telltale signs are increased body fat, reduced muscle mass, increased hair loss, and gynecomastia, also known as tits. These are some of the biggest symptoms of low testosterone in men. So if you are noticing any of these on a level that you're not used to, it's definitely important for you to get checked and see where you stand, on the spectrum. It can be very hard to calculate and actually identify what is causing your low testosterone. Some of the most obvious are drugs and consuming a lot of alcohol, but if you're not doing that, it could be other things. Less likely, it could be an underlying medical condition, but what's really common is just lifestyle. It could be either on this side of the spectrum, living extremely unhealthy, eating a bunch of fast food, not getting very active, living a very sedentary lifestyle, or it could be even Or it could be even the extreme in the other direction where you're exercising too much, you're doing too much cardio, and you're raising your cortisol levels so high that it lowers your testosterone. But now that you know what to look out for, you have some sort of idea where you might. But if you want to look into it further, definitely click the link in the description. And if you do have low testosterone, there's a lot of different things you can try. You could try to take the natural route, which I made a video on, which includes things such as weightlifting, taking an ashwagandha supplement, and just practicing high self-esteem. Or if it's necessary, you could be prescribed something like testosterone replacement therapy if the doctor finds it necessary. So definitely get your levels checked out because it's really important to know where you stand. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, subscribe, turn those post notifications on, and until next time, peace.